a teacher, you are a friend, philosopher and guider.
All molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support.
So myself, Priya Thareja,
and myself, Monalika Thareja, we are studying in Suraj School, Sector 75, Gurugram.
Suraj School is just wonderful place for learning.
It is a world of activities to launch the explorer,
a cosmos of inspiration to launch the creator,
a galaxy of knowledge to launch the thinker,
a universe of learning to launch the leader.
The perfect launch pad, which is what Suraj School is all about. A starting block to mold ideas, build personality. Suraj School provide ultra-modern amenities which are very much important for a competitive learning environment. Most importantly, Suraj School provide NEET, JEE Main and NTSC classes.
The school is also well equipped with labs for enhancing practical knowledge and analytical skills. It also provides indoor and outdoor sports facilities and also drama, music, karate classes and many more.
Our Honorable Director Sir, Mr. Anand Prasad, he encouraged students to enjoy learning and explore their uniqueness. He is a great motivator who never let their children go down. He believes in a best education in a stress-free learning environment.
Our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Seema Ahuja, believed that each student have tremendous potential to bring about positive influence in society. Her vision is to provide a very atmosphere for their students to explore and prove their talent.
A teacher is not less than a warrior to us right now, as we all know the pandemic going on. Our teachers are working so hard even in this lockdown period.
Last year I was in 12th class and attending coaching classes from past 2 years, and even now I am taking online NEET classes from coaching faculty, and I had a very great experience with them. They always make their student to understand each and every part of the lesson by taking live examples, and even now on daily basis they are providing sample papers of NEET, JEE Main and NTSC also.
Currently I am in 10th class and I am also taking coaching of NTSC exam, and the teacher are paying a lot for us. They are providing sample papers, test papers daily, and even now also they are providing online classes for NTSC exams so that we can able to run our syllabus smoothly. And I also had a very great experience with my coaching faculty. A special thanks
and a big salute to all the teachers who are working even in this lockdown period.